So the OnePlus 12 has recently been launched in China, but unfortunately things don't seem to be going well for OnePlus. Users are encountering some bugs and design quality problems with the OnePlus 12. Over the past few days, I have come across various reports on Twitter highlighting issues with the design and bugs in the OnePlus 12, particularly related to the design quality. Yes, several users who have already received their OnePlus 12 devices have started talking about the build quality not being up to mark, and the images they have shared are concerning. In the first image, a Chinese user of the OnePlus 12 spotted an unusual and a literal dead bug inside the back glass near the camera bump. Moving to the second image, some other users in China have shared concerns about various quality issues with the OnePlus 12, including the presence of a gap near the camera bump. Don't get me wrong, the OnePlus 12 is an awesome phone with an excellent specs. There is just one thing about a device, it needs to have a good finish as well, and it does not seem to be the case with the latest OnePlus 12. I really hope that this is not an issue that is affecting a lot of users, because there could be a callback if that happens. The OnePlus 12 still hasn't debuted in the international market, and I hope this issue can easily be resolved instead of the problem getting out of hands. For just a reminder, the phone comes with a huge 5400 mAh battery to keep its display running. It comes with a 100-watt wired charging, a 50-watt wireless charging, and even a 10-watt reverse wireless charging capability. Not to mention, it also has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. The surprising part is that all of this come in the box, which is quite rare in the smartphone industry these days. With the OnePlus 12, OnePlus has managed to include all the missing features from their previous phones. Now the most highlighting part of the phone is the camera. OnePlus has added a new sensor collaboration with Sony. There is a 50 megapixel main camera LYT808, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera IMX58114mm, and a 64 megapixel 3x periscope camera OmniVision OV64B. Switch to the front and you will find a 32 megapixel camera in a punch hole cutout topping at 4K 30fps video recording. Unfortunately, the phone will come with an IP65 rating for protection against dust and water. However, OnePlus has come up with a solution by introducing rain touch technology. So now using your phone's display in the rain or with water on it won't be difficult anymore. This feature ensures that the extra water doesn't cause any touch related issues. To make it all happen, the OnePlus 12 will be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. As we all know, compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the 8 Gen 3 offers a whopping 28% increase in performance. One reason for this could be the reduced frequency in 8 Gen 3. So what do you think about this OnePlus 12? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.